Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Are you going for Hajj this year or planning to go next year? Do you understand the purpose behind performing this noble act of worship? Do you know what Hajj Mabrur is? Are you confident about the rites and rituals of performing Hajj? Are you worried about memorizing so many du'as for Hajj? Are you concerned that you won't be able to perform Hajj? Join our Hajj, a practical guide course to find answers to all these questions. We will take you on a virtual Hajj tour and teach you easy and effective ways to remember the Hajj rituals. You will receive brief daily checklists to ensure that no steps of Hajj are missed. We will guide you through the rites, rituals, and steps based on the Quran and Sunnah, so you can confidently strive to make your Hajj a Hajj Mabrur. In addition, we will teach you authentic Hajj du'as and conduct an activity to help you create your personal list of du'as. Our goal is to prepare you mentally, spiritually, and practically for Hajj so that it becomes a life-changing journey for you. Since Hajj is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, let's learn together to make this journey to Allah beautiful and memorable. Don't delay, join today. Visit our website at alhudaonline.org for further details. Barakallahu feekum.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك